Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make a big, beautiful loopy bow. First, you're going to want to take some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and you're going to cut 9 strips at 24 inches. Now I am using 2 colors this time, so I did 5 of the leopard print and 4 of the solid. Once you have all 9 strips cut at 24 inches, you're going to take 1 strip and you're going to take it and fold it, and you're going to measure down about 6 inches, pinch it together, leave some ribbon below your fingers because you do not want your end to pull out when you're shaping your bow. Same steps with all 9 strips. Fold your ribbon over, measure it to about 6 inches, pinch it together, and add it on top of your first loop. Remember, leave a little extra below your fingers. I started out with 2 of the leopard, then 2 of the solid, 2 of the leopard, and so on. You do not have to use 2 colors. You can use 1 color if you choose. You could use 5-inch loops instead of 6-inch loops. A lot of my bows I do make 5 inches, so my loops are 5 inches. This one I did 6 inches, and so it's a big loopy bow that's perfect like for a wreath or even to put on top of a Christmas tree. Once you have all 9 loops made, you're going to take a pipe cleaner, go just above your fingers, make sure you get that pipe cleaner wrapped nice and tight around your ribbon, and that's what you're going to use to attach it to your wreath or whatever you're working on. To dovetail the ends, fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, and it just kind of dresses up your bow. But you could do a slant cut or knife cut, it's whatever you want. Now when I'm shaping my bows, I like to place some tails like on the left, some on the right, and kind of spread them out. And then once you have your tails kind of separated, it's time to start shaping and fluffing your loops. I like to kind of place my hand in the loop to kind of shape it. You'll want to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up. And just be patient, guys, when you're trying to shape your bow. It does take a little bit of time to get it shaped just like you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone's doing good, and I hope you enjoyed this bow tutorial, and let me know what you're working on. I started working on a fall yardstick door swag today, and if you know where I can find some cute little pumpkins, let me know in the comment section. Thanks, guys.